guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss an upload from me. In today's video, you guys are going to watch me do a clean with me in the movie theater. I have never done a clean with me in the movie theater. I don't know how that happened, but I've never done one. So the last time you guys seen that movie theater, it was when we actually put it together. So I am so excited to be showing you guys the clean with me in there. I'm also going to be announcing today's giveaway winner, so congratulations to that person. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and I appreciate all you guys as always, and I will talk to you in the video. Bye guys. You guys, if you have not used this awesome spray, where have you been? I don't know anybody that has not used this. This stuff is just what the name says. It is awesome, no joke. I actually use this to clean my couches, use it to spot clean. As you guys can see, I am using it on my black couches, and it is getting stains off. Just little bitty things that we use because we eat everything up here. Popcorn, candy, ice cream, just whatever it is for movie time, we are eating it up here. So I got these off of Amazon, and they are concentrated, so I did have to dilute it with water. But you guys, I'm just telling you, this stuff is awesome. I believe you can get this from the Dollar Tree also. Don't quote me on that, but I got mine from Amazon. So if you guys do want to use this awesome spray, or if you want to try it, I will link one in my description box so you guys can just grab it off of Amazon. But look, you can kind of see it just there in this clip. I'm telling you, this stuff works.
Like I can daily, baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
So you guys, I did decide not to paint the walls in the movie theater. I do want to eventually paint them because I do want this room to be dark. I just want a movie theater vibe in here because it's a vibe in here, but it's not the vibe that I am 100% satisfied with. So I enjoy coming up here with the family. We enjoy coming up here eating and just having fun and hanging out together. But I did decide to paint something in here, and you guys are going to see that coming up soon. So hopefully you guys are all enjoying the video thus far, and I will talk to you later.
If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could. way you're turning me on, the way you're telling me you wanted me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand you how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand you how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, maybe when I take it.
Okay, you guys, I decided to paint the popcorn machine. And when I told my husband I wanted to paint the popcorn machine, he looked at me like I was crazy. Like, the popcorn machine? Really? But the red was just, wouldn't, how it goes. So I needed something that will go with the decor in there. So I saw this on Pinterest. I need to get off of Pinterest. I was like, I'm painting the popcorn machine. And you guys know how he is. He just went with it because I probably would have begged him until he said yes. And it actually turned out good. I am not kidding. I love the popcorn machine being white. And I'm probably about to start painting a whole bunch of stuff in here, but I love it. I love it. So it just looks really good to me. So I thought it was a good idea, you guys. So if anybody has a popcorn machine and it doesn't go with their decor, paint it. It will change everything.
Gotta show me how you pick it off. Oh, you tryna find the pieces when you rip it off. Why I like when you sit you when you take it off. Yeah, you know that I'm bad. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand you how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand you how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night?
So if you guys are still watching, thank you. Thank you for watching most of my video. I want to go ahead and announce the winner real quick. The name on YouTube is CHE. I don't know how to say it. I don't want to mess up her name, but it's spelled CHE. So you are the winner, and I just want to say thank you for all your support, because I have noticed that you have commented on a couple of my videos, and I just want to say I appreciate you so much. So if you could shoot me an email, my email is in my description box. In the subject matter, please put winner of giveaway, so I will actually open it, and I will, if you could give me your address, I will shoot you out a little care package and a gift card to go along with that. And it's just a way of saying thank you to my subscribers. And I just want to give back to you guys. This is coming out of my own pocket. This is not a sponsorship or anything like that. It's just something that I wanted to do for you guys. So I just appreciate you guys, and thank you.
I'll be here forever. Said I'll always be your friend. Took an oath, I'ma stick it out to the end. Now that it's raining more than ever, know that we'll still have each other. We can stand, we can stand, we can stand, we can stand, we can stand.
Under my umbrella, Ella, Ella,
Stand under my umbrella. Stand under my
Okay guys, you guys tell me, that popcorn machine looks better white than it did red, and I am loving it. So I know that is something so small, but I love that it goes along with that. Those are not the tables that I'm going to keep in there. It's just some tables that I had lying around the house, and it fit better with it. So I think it looks really good, you guys. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I think it turned out good, even though I need to stay off of Pinterest. I love it. Alright guys, hopefully you all enjoyed the clean with me in the movie theater and the little painting of the popcorn machine. I am just appreciative of all you guys, and if you are not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. To all my old subscribers, you guys know I appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.